Are you looking for the top 5 cheap vacuums 2026? In this video, we'll be taking a closer look at some of the best 5 cheap vacuums 2026 on the market today. Before we dive in, we've included links in the description for each product mentioned, so be sure to check those out to find the one that fits your style and budget. Number 1. Shark Upright Vacuum. Powerful suction. Deep clean carpets and tackle bare floors with multi-surface powerful suction. Lift-away functionality. Detachable pod for cleaning under furniture, or detach the nozzle to clean above the floor on upholstery, furniture, stairs, and more. Anti-allergen complete seal technology. Works with a HEPA filter to trap dust and allergens inside the vacuum cleaner. Perfect for pets. Powerful pet hair pickup attachments like the upholstery tool make cleaning pet hair a breeze. Swivel steering. Easily maneuver your vacuum in and out of tight spaces and corners around furniture and more. Brush roll shutoff. Feature allows you to instantly switch from deep carpet cleaning to gentle bare floor cleaning. Large capacity dust cup. 0.9 quart capacity for longer cleaning sessions. Easily remove dust cup to empty debris in seconds. What's included? Navigator lift-away deluxe upright vacuum, upholstery tool and crevice tool. Rinse filters under running tap water until the water runs clear. Squeeze filters and let air dry for 24 hours before replacing. Do not wash in dishwasher or washing machine. Number 2. Eureka Flex Reach Plus Bagless Upright Vacuum Cleaner for Home. The Eureka Flex Reach NEU 652 isn't just a vacuum. It's one of the most advanced upright systems Eureka has ever engineered. Designed for busy homes, especially those with pets, it combines a powerful 960W motor with innovative lift-away technology in a single, versatile platform. Use it in upright mode for floor cleaning with 192AW suction power, or switch to pod mode for under furniture and above floor cleaning with precision control. Featuring a 2L high-capacity dustbin anti-tangle brush system and LED headlights, the Flex Reach outperforms expectations in maneuverability, cleaning power, and durability. From tight spaces to pet hair to ceiling vents, the Flex Reach delivers fuss-free performance, elevating Eureka's legacy of intelligent cleaning solutions for modern homes. Extra-long 30-foot power cord features a 9-meter extended power cord to easily cover large spaces without outlet switching, enabling efficient whole house cleaning. Complete Seal Technology Advanced HEPA filter with sealed system captures 0.3 micron particles pollen, pet dander, etc. Floor Sense Plus React Tech automatically detects floor types, carpet/hard floors, and adjusts suction power accordingly for deep yet surface-safe cleaning. Powerful suction for stubborn debris. 192AW strong suction effortlessly removes embedded dust, pet hair, and large debris with visibly cleaner results. Number 3. Bissell Power Clean FurFinder 200W self-standing cordless vacuum. No pet hair left behind. Find and capture pet hair everywhere with a powerful 200W motor and our new FurFinder headlights that illuminate hidden pet hair and find dust and debris. Up to 40 minutes of cordless cleaning power. Easily transform from a stick vacuum to a handheld or high-reach vacuum. Up to 40 minutes in low mode and 13 minutes in turbo mode. Better than the competitor. Removes up to 95% of embedded pet hair 2x faster with FurFinder tool on couches, chairs, stairs, auto interiors, and more. Tangle-free brush roll. Cut the hassle, not the hair. This vacuum is designed to handle hair and fur. Self-standing convenience. Power Clean can stand on its own for pauses while cleaning and while charging a long-lasting battery. HEPA sealed allergen system. Helps capture dust and allergens inside the vacuum so they don't escape back into the air you breathe. Clean more spaces and places. Integrated crevice tool reaches into corners and crevices, and FurFinder tool attachment tackles embedded hair everywhere. Number 4. Nautilus Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. This N7 cordless vacuum cleaner is equipped with an upgraded 600W brushless motor, delivering up to 50 kilopascals super powerful suction, ensuring easy removal of dirt, debris, and pet hair from various surfaces. Thanks to the upgraded 8x2800 mAh battery, the stick vacuum cordless rechargeable can run for up to 70 minutes in MIN mode, 40 minutes in MID mode, 20 minutes in max mode, allowing you to clean your entire home on a single charge. You can remove the battery to charge it separately with the floor brush locking function. This cordless vacuum cleaner for home can stand on its own without any support, allowing you to park anytime and anywhere, bringing you a more convenient using experience. Built-in 6-stage high-efficiency filtration system with aroma function. This hardwood floor vacuum captures 99.99% of fine dust and allergens, releasing fresher air and preventing secondary air pollution. And the 1.8L large capacity dust cup avoids frequent emptying. Nautilus cordless vacuum provides 3-year warranty service support. If you have any issues about usage or anything else, our July 24th team will help you in time, so you'll enjoy a worry-free shopping experience. Number 5. Shark NV352 Navigator Lift-Away Upright Vacuum. The Shark NV352 Navigator Lift-Away Upright Vacuum is a powerful and versatile cleaning powerhouse, ideal for homes with both carpets and hard floors. This 2-in-1 vacuum lets you detach the pod to easily clean stairs, furniture, and above-floor areas, giving you full flexibility. Equipped with anti-allergen complete seal technology and a HEPA filter, it captures up to 99.9% of dust and allergens, keeping them sealed inside the unit. Cyclonic technology prevents a filter from clogging and maintains strong suction performance throughout your cleaning session. The vacuum features a brush roll shutoff switch, so you can safely transition from deep carpet scrubbing to gentle bare floor cleaning. With its swivel steering, the NV352 easily maneuvers around furniture and tight spaces, while its lightweight design, around 12.5 pounds, ensures you can carry and use it without strain.